Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. You ever wonder what happens when you ship an item? We're going to do the shipping experiment. So I have got this cute coffee cup that I hope I don't break, but we're gonna see. Will I break it? All right, so I'm gonna take this cute little coffee cup and we're gonna see if it survives my durability test, all right? So you know when you ship something, when you sell it, you're gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna take the bubble wrap and wrap it up just like I would normally. And then I'm going to put it in a box just like I would regular shipping. Take my tape here. So, I mean, I don't go crazy and spend too much time. I ship a lot of items, so I'm packaging this very quickly just like I normally would. But we just want to protect it. But you know, the United States Postal Service, UPS, all those places, they are not careful with your items. Even if you write fragile on them, they're not going to be fragile with it. So I'm going to put it inside this box so it doesn't move around. Then I'm going to seal this one. I like to go all the way around the box without breaking the tape, just to make sure it's nice and secure. All right, so it's in that. And then here's my priority mailbox that I'm going to send it. Put it right in there so then it has an extra layer of protection. You can even put some bubble wrap on the sides. So let's go ahead and just take one piece, we'll tear it in half and give it a little bit of extra cushion on the sides. We'll put some there, just so now it has really no wiggle room at all. And then we're going to go ahead and close it up. Then we're going to do the durability test. So I am not going to edit this. It will be one straight video and you will see, is it going to survive? Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to take it outside. So I'm going to open my big door here. We'll walk out that way. There we go. All right, so we're going to take it outside and we're going to basically be the United States Postal Service and see how well it goes. All right, so let's leave that open there. All right, so I'm the United States Postal Service, so let's just do the traditional. Okay, well, we're gonna bring it to the step. All right, we've got your package. We're going to go ahead and toss it on your stoop. So there you go. So that's a typical, fairly gentle situation, but you know, sometimes they're in a hurry. So they're not going to just gently toss it. They're going to throw it up against the wall and see if it breaks that way. Or they're really just having a rough day. You know, they didn't get their favorite dessert at the meal last night. So this is what they're going to do with your package. So is it going to survive? So we're going to see exactly what. Now you can clearly see on here we've got some dents and things like that. So okay, let me see. We're going to try to test it out on the tree. I'm having a bad day. As a postal worker, I'm going postal. So I just really am having a rough day. So I'm going to literally throw it against a tree and see if it survives. All right, so we've got some clear damage to the box. Have you ever gotten a box that has this kind of stuff on it, where it's dinged up and things like that? And so we've got, you know, damage here. So let's go inside. Has it survived? All right, so, oh yes, we're going to make sure that it's gotten good and utilized and see, does my cute snowman cup, is it gonna make it all the way through the process? So let me grab my box cutter or a pair of scissors. We're gonna grab a pair of scissors real fast. Let's cut her open and let's see what kind of condition we got.
Do you think it will survive?
Has it survived the trauma of someone going postal? All right. So I always suggest double boxing anything that's breakable, just because it gives it an extra layer of protection. And just so you know, this priority box is a regional box. It's a little bit thinner than some of the other priority boxes. So I specifically chose that one because it doesn't have as much protection. All right, so let's see what we got. Is it alive? All right, I want to know. Do you think it's intact or do you think there's any chips on it? So let's see. Put it down in the comment section. If you've seen your postal worker do something more than what I've just done, then please let me know if it's, and I will try to do that experiment myself. Totally intact. So even if your postal worker goes postal, if you wrap it right, it's going to survive. There have been plenty of times that things have gotten broken in shipping, and it's frustrating to me, and yes, it does happen. But if you do your best to go ahead and protect it as well as you can, it's going to make it from point A to point B intact. And so hopefully this has been helpful and fun to watch me try to destroy my cute little snowman cup. And now I'm going to go drink some coffee. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.